Hello, welcome back. It's Friday morning. I hope you're doing good. I am about to get ready. We have lunch out with a dear friend. I call her Mama Bear. So yeah, and we are gonna have lunch at her house. She's gonna cook some really delicious Indian food, and then we're gonna play a game of Mexican Train. We all seem to like Mexican Train. So yeah, it's a game of dominoes. Another striped shirt. I have two striped shirts. One is like the round collar, and this is the V-neck. So yeah, it's just the difference is with the neck. Oh yes, ooh, jeera rice with peas. I'll let Tessa eat all the peas. Cauliflower and potato.
Chicken tikka masala.
It smells so good, so fresh. Thank you. Oh my. Relearning again how to do everything. So once Mama Bear. This is the key. Okay, once it's like that, put the key all over. I need to come more often to know. I can do one hand and then do another one. This is her instruction, so I'm following. Okay, and then fold half again, and then put it upside down like that. Is that good, or you want it?
Very good.
Okay. Oh, see, I'm learning fast, huh?
Right. Yes, you are. You are. Yes.
Aloo gobi.
I don't know what is it called. What do you call that? Gobi. What is the gobi means?
Gobi is the cauliflower, isn't it?
Oh. I don't know.
You're Indian asking me.
Yes, I don't know.
She forgot her Hindi. I have to.
You have to remind me my Hindi, okay?
Yes. Oh, that's too funny. That's so fun.
I never call the gobi, you know.
Oh, what is it in your language? In Gujarat. Oh,
Cauliflower. In my language, it's cauliflower.
cauliflower. Okay.
Yeah. So. And I remember what is the another one? Cabbage?
Gobi.
No, this is a gobi. No?
Oh, pool gobi.
Full gobi. But in the Hindi, patta gobi.
Oh.
Yeah, patta gobi.
Is it patta gobi?
Yeah,
Oh,
patta
I didn't
gobi.
know.
Because it has a leaves.
Yes,
Patta means
patta
leaves.
leaf. Yes, that's right.
Right.
Oh, see?
Yeah.
I'm learning Hindi once again.
Yep.
Relearning.
And I'm
Patta
learning
gobi.
too.
So I think pool gobi is more Bengali.
Full gobi. Oh, really?
Yeah, pool gobi is Bengali.
Oh.
Yeah. So,
How many? Okay. We have to have two.
Bob. Yeah, I think two more.
Bruce,
What about you? Are you
Carrie,
having?
and you edit.
Are you
Okay.
having yours?
No.
Okay.
Mine different. I will cut it after we done. So it's, let's say
Two more.
this.
Got a mango. This is mango pickle. Yeah, mango pickle. Chicken tikka masala. And the rest.
I hope.
It'll be fine.
You
Cucumbers.
said
Dessert time, and someone is losing. It's the next day. It's another beautiful sunny morning, and it's Saturday. It's farmers market day, and this is like the first time in 2026, and this is where we usually come to get like Asian herbs and other stuff. So mainly Asian herbs and vegetables. So I don't know, carrots. Wow. Swiss chard. A whole bunch of chili stems, plant. Asian spinach. Bell pepper. So fresh. I have the lemon basil and holy Thai basil here. All the other basils as well.
$3.50. And then Thai basil.
Thai basil. Got moringa leaves. This is moringa leaves, right?
Yes.
These are moringa leaves.
Your total can be
Malunggay.
20.
Some white peach. What are these?
Those are plums.
Oh, wow. Are they sour or?
Right now when they're like, you want them a little bit more on the yellow side, so they
Okay.
can be more sweet.
Okay.
But they are like a little tart.
A little tart. Okay. Okay. Oh, I love the peach donut. Oh, could I mix some?
Yeah, you can
Okay, because they're the same prices,
Yeah,
right?
you can mix them in the same bag.
Okay, yeah. Oh my goodness, I love peach. Their donut peach.
Do you want a cup of cherries?
Let me see. I like these. How?
You can try them.
I have gum right now. How much? Okay.
They're all the
Three.
same. $10 one cup, or 2 for
Okay.
18, or 3 for 25.
Okay, you know, I'll pass on the cherries. I'll just have the peaches and nectarines. Yeah. Calamansi $4, and this is the Thai bananas for $4.50. No? Okay, Auntie. All right, I'll take this one. Okay. Check. The freshness is to flip the gill, open the gills up, just like how she's doing it. Oh no, this is this. Yeah, brown is not good. Oh, it's brown. Man, I don't think they're adding more fresh tilapia. Let's see. I'm thinking about getting the red tilapia. No. I'm gonna get these already pre-sliced. I asked him to fry the fish pieces that I just picked out, so it's pre-frying. And here's my number. I love these, like the pork spare ribs cross-cut tip. They're like the small pieces of the spare ribs. Really good in soup. So let's see. Just get this one. And I think I'm gonna go look at other stuff. Pack of chicken feet. Yes, with nails. So I'll just go look around while I wait for my fish to be finished frying. Green papaya on sale. They're hard as a rock. That's good for papaya salad. One mango. They're kind of not too firm, so somewhere in the middle. So I'm gonna make like a mango relish to go with the fried fish. All right, I've got one mango, as you've seen, shallots, green papaya, and my fried fish. Here's my ginormous green papaya, hard like a rock. It needs to be that hard for papaya salad. We don't normally, for Lao people, don't really eat papaya like as in soup or anything. It needs to be green. We have the right one. We have the right papaya to eat for a snack, or main meal, or for a snack as well, but savory snack. Okay, here's what I got. So this is just for, they don't charge for the frying. It's $12.93. I don't know. I should have just bought a whole fish and then deep fry myself. But, you know, when you want something fast, this is like our fast food. this in the air fryer. I'm at, but look at this. Yeah. I told the uncle to lightly season the fish before frying, so a little bit of salt. I'm gonna taste. It's very lightly salted. When I make the mango relish, it will go perfectly with this fish. You can hear the crunch when I'm like kind of slicing it into it, but in the middle, it's pretty soft. Or you could use this, but you kind of like it chunkier, kind of like a thicker julienne type of strands, like this. Got my shrimp paste, just a little bit, and coconut sugar in there. 2 tablespoons or a tablespoon and a half of fish sauce. There you go. 2 tablespoons of lime juice. I'm gonna put less than that. This is all your preference. Squeeze that in there. It just stirs better, I guess. We're in the bowl. I mean, if I had red chilies, it would make it pop more, but this is it. Mmm. Oh my gosh, so good. That's it. That's for me. Lunch. My husband is starving. Okay, so from the farmer's market this morning, I got lemon basil. This is the Thai holy basil and the Thai sweet basil, which you eat with pho and all that, and you can stir fry with that. You can also stir fried meat with this. This one is mostly like for stews and soups. So good. This is the donut peach, white nectarines and white peaches, Indian bitter gourd. This is the kombocha, kombocha squash. Anywho, gailan, Chinese gailan, and mustard greens, but they're not peppery. This is like the sweeter side. And this is the water spinach, kangkong, pakbong, morning glory, so many names, but so good, stir fry, and you can eat this raw as well. So yeah, that's it. 6:10 and it's quite late, but it's still light outside. I am not going to peel the skin. I'll clean it well, and the skin is just so good. Just taste the nuttiness with the pumpkin. Yeah, I won't be toasting the seeds or anything. Okay, here's that. And then I'm gonna get the tofu in chunks as well. There you go. I am going to go ahead and use and stir fry the water spinach. Pumpkins are in. I'm just gonna let the pumpkin cook for a little bit, and then lastly add the tofu. I just added a little bit more salt and a little bit more fish sauce. I shut the lid of the pressure cooker while it was on soup, and it locked, and now it overcooked the pumpkin. Oh my goodness. All right. Well, it's still good, but lastly, I will add to the soup is the lemon basil. This herb is so aromatic, and I don't know how to explain it. It's lemony, herby, so good with other dishes as well. All right, let's